systematic Python roadmap. It's divided into 8 steps. Start with package managers. Python has 2 main ones, pip and conda, so make sure to learn about them. Next, move on to basic Python. Cover essential topics such as data type, loops, condition, functions, and data structures like lists, tuples, set, and dictionary. Once you have got the basics down, dive into object-oriented programming. Focus on classes, inheritance, and methods. With that foundation, you are ready for advanced Python. This includes learning about lambdas, magic methods, list comprehension, threading, and more. After mastering advanced Python, you are eligible to tackle data structures and algorithms. Study heaps, arrays, linked lists, recursion, sorting, and other key concepts. Since Python is all about packages, familiarize yourself with important ones like pandas, matplotlib, and numpy. For data science, also explore Keras, PyTorch, and TensorFlow. Next, consider automation, including file management, GUI automation, and network automations. No project is complete without testing, so ensure you learn about end-to-end testing, unit testing, and other types. You can download this detailed roadmap from the link in the pinned comment. See you tomorrow.